In the previous video, I presented you how you can create components and variables in Meno. And right now I would like to walk you through on how to use AI Assistant, our built-in AI Assistant or Cloud Code. So you can switch between them here. So basically built-in AI Assistant is a little bit faster, but the Cloud Code for sure is much more intelligent and has a better understanding of the project, goes deeper into it and into thinking mode. So how it works, the Meno project works on files. So in this view you can review the files, the page, for example, index which we created, or components like button, heading, section, layout. So I created few simple components like heading, text, button, and section. And now we can ask, let's say Cloud Code, to reuse components we selected and add section for features. So let's add Cloud Code. And now one more section, and how it will know which element we selected, because in the files we have folder Meno selection, and this folder explains that we selected in the page index.json elements between line 6 and 35, which is section. So if we go to page index.json, we can see that on the line 6 there's the component section, and it has a children, heading, text, and button. And this is exactly the same what we see here. And Cloud Code right now created for us a next section with heading, text, a div element which is grid, and 3 divs which also has heading with property size 3 and text. So this is a very simple text feature section which Cloud did it for us. So as you see, we could do it very quickly ourselves, but Cloud can also do it. So that's cool. And when you learn when to use Cloud Code, when to use your own visual interface, that's great. Visual interface can help you understand better the project, can also help you make this design looks better. So for example, right now I can change the gap, I can change something like, for example, I can change border radius here, but as you see, we are changing just this one element. So that would be nice, for example, to make this card element an component. So then when we do the change, we do for all 3 elements. I can ask Cloud to do it. Please make selected component selected element a component, and make other cards also components. And in this time I will just change it also to 8, so this way all cards are the same. So I have to click here because the selection file is changing when so if I ask AI to change something and then I automatically select something else, it will not get the correct information. So this is important to keep it, because the selection files is always changing when we change the selection. So right now Cloud Code is working. Okay, it made. So right now we have 3 feature cards which has inside heading and text, and as you see it's using description, title, so we can change basically it here. And if I would like to change the border radius right now, I'm changing it in all cards. If I want to add background color, I can do it right here, and then it's added. So I use variable muted border, or I can unlink it and then just use any color I would like. So this is like the very basics of working with AI. One more thing which is important to know, in files we have a cloud.md file. So basically this is the documentation for cloud. And if you would like to add something to the documentation for Cloud Code, you can do it above this tag. So because everything what is below will be automatically updated by Meno. So if we release a new documentation, then this one will be updated. But if you add something above, it will be kept by Meno. So you'll keep those informations. And if you would like to use AI Assistant and give it some additional informations, you can just go to memories and add memory right here. So then you can also give it some additional informations for AI Assistant, which is connected with your Cloud Code API. So if you would like to use built-in AI Assistant, then you need your API key. So it depends on you on which one would you prefer to use. And yeah, I think that's the basics of working with AI in Meno.